Forget about outdated egg cooking methods. In this video, I'll show you some incredibly simple and easy tips for boiling and frying eggs at home. Even if you're a beginner in the kitchen, these methods are very easy to follow and you won't have to worry about ruining the dish. Ready? Let's get started. Tip 1. Eggs in a jar, super fast to fluffy. I prepared 2 small, heat-resistant glass jars. Then I cracked 1 egg into each jar. Add mayonnaise for a creamy, rich texture. Then add some grated cheese to give the dish a nice aroma and a slight chewiness when cooked. Next, I closed the lid tightly and shook it well to mix all the ingredients together. In just a few seconds, the mixture became smooth and thicker. Then, I opened the lid. This step is crucial to avoid the pressure from the spin cycle, causing the eggs to explode. Now I'm putting both jars in the microwave. Record for about 2 minutes. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. When you take it out, you'll find the egg mixture has expanded, becoming fluffy, light, soft, and fragrant with the aroma of eggs, cheese, and mayonnaise blended together. You can gently cut a line with a knife, and you'll see the smooth, fluffy, and pleasantly airy egg layer inside. A quick and easy yet incredibly delicious scrambled eggs dish that makes for a simple yet tasty meal. Tip 2. There are many different ways to make fried eggs. So, should you use high heat or low heat? We're going to fry the eggs over medium heat. So, put the butter in the pan. Then add the eggs into the butter. The pan needs to be hot enough that the egg whites start to set as soon as you add the eggs. So the eggs begin to cook and you get that nice. Add a little salt. Salt and pepper will make the eggs taste better. Just make sure the heat isn't so high that the egg whites are furiously bubbling and boiling. At this point, add a few drops of water and immediately cover the pan with a lid. This will create a good amount of steam inside the pan, which helps cook the egg whites thoroughly without needing such high heat that it overcooks or hardens the yolk. After cooking for a couple of minutes, you'll have the most perfect egg in the world. A bright golden yolk, fully set whites, and no broken yolk in sight. Tip 3. Neatly poached eggs. Make several at once. I prepared a bowl. Add about 80 milliliters of apple cider vinegar to it. Then crack 5 eggs directly into it. The vinegar here helps the egg whites solidify faster, preventing them from becoming watery, resulting in neat, beautiful eggs that are much easier to handle. Next, I heated a pot of water until it was simmering gently, not boiling vigorously because boiling water can easily crack the eggs. Next, I gently poured all the eggs and vinegar into the pot. The steam is getting very hot now, so be careful. Right now, you'll see the egg whites clumped together, the yolks neatly wrapped around the yolks. Do you see that white stuff floating all over the pot? That's some free water in the egg whites. This part is very liquid and easily separates when heated. I poached the eggs for about 2 minutes. Then, I took them out and immediately put them in a bowl of cold water to stop the cooking process. After rinsing with cold water, use your hands to separate the excess egg white. Now look how beautifully these eggs have taken on their original shape. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Simply cut lightly the runny yolk, which is incredibly beautiful. The great thing about this method is that you don't need to blanch each egg individually. You can do many at once, saving time while still getting a consistent result. Tip 4. First, use the vomiting chicken to separate the egg yolks and whites. I separated 3 eggs. Everyone try your best not to let the yolk get into the white. But if it accidentally gets mixed in, just scoop it out and it's still fine. You can continue as usual. After separating, put the egg whites into a bowl and add about 20 grams of sugar. You can add the sugar in 2 separate times. It will be easier to beat. After that, use a whisk. It must be really clean and free of any oil or grease to beat the eggs until fluffy. If you don't have a whisk, you can make one yourself. There are lots of references on the internet. If you have an electric hand mixer, use it for faster results. Beating by hand will take a bit longer. When beating the egg whites with sugar, once it becomes fluffy, it will be quite lumpy, but that's okay. Just make sure not to overbeat it until the egg separates water, then it will be fine. Next, in the bowl with the egg yolks, add a little salt. Stir well until the salt dissolves. Then pour it into the fluffy egg white mixture from earlier and fold them together evenly so both parts combine well. Do not stir too strongly or too much, otherwise the egg will deflate and separate water. After mixing the batter, take a non-stick pan about 2 centimeters in size. Remember to use low heat only. Brush a little butter or cooking oil to prevent sticking. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Pour the beaten, fluffy egg mixture into the pan immediately. Note that after beating the egg until fluffy, you must fry it right away. Otherwise, it will deflate very quickly. Spread it out to make the surface even, not too uneven. After that, cover the pan with a lid and keep the heat on low for 3 to 4 minutes until the egg is cooked. After 3 to 4 minutes, when the bottom of the egg turns golden, fold it in half. Remember, before folding, move the egg piece a little bit toward the back of the pan, like in the video. At this point, you can take it out to a plate. It's similar to a soft, slightly runny egg yolk style. Press the uncooked side of the egg against the side of the pan to lock the inside, so it doesn't flow out, everyone. It also helps the egg cook more. And that's it. Look at it. So fluffy and bouncy. Really soft and airy. When you bite into it, you'll hear a nice loop-boop sound, and the inside will be super soft and melty. It feels completely different from regular eggs. So there you go. I've just shared with you 4 simple but incredibly effective ways to boil eggs at home. If you've tried any of these methods, don't hesitate to leave a comment and share your results or thoughts. I look forward to your feedback, and together, we can discover even more helpful tips. If you found this video helpful, please support me by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel so you don't miss any more useful tips and tricks in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.